Hi Year 7, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your geography resources and lessons from Teams. When you log on to Teams you will see all of your different classes from English to History. For this video we're going to look at how to access and use the geography resources. So firstly you need to find your geography class. For the purpose of this video I'm going to use 7.1. Once you enter into the group, you will see this screen. You could use this screen to actually chat between yourself and the teacher. You may want to ask questions or share work, but please bear in mind that this is to the whole class, not just between yourself and the teacher. To access the resources, you need to click the Files tab along the top. Here you will see two different folders. Geography resources are placed here. For some other lessons or some other subjects, the folders may be located within the class materials folder. For our topic, which is It's Our Planet, it's located outside of the folder. So here you can see topic 1, It's Our Planet. In the folder, you've got all of the lessons and presentations. So from lesson 1 all the way up until lesson 7. You've also got a Word document of the booklet, the exact same one that you've been working through in school, and also a PDF version of the booklet. When you are working through these presentations, you need to be completing that in your booklet at home, using the presentation and the voiceover from the teacher to complete the activities. If you haven't got your booklet at home, there is a PDF version, which looks like this. And there is also a Word version if you'd like to actually type in your answers into the booklet itself. For the presentations, if you click onto one, you will notice it looks the exact same to the ones you receive in lesson. You've got the Do Now activity and we work through all of the different activities throughout the lesson. If you click on the larger screen, you'll then be able to hear your teacher explain each task.
Today's key question is, how did life develop on planet Earth? The Do Now activity, if you turn to lesson 2 in your work booklet, there are a number of dates. You have to identify the key events that happened for these dates. This is linking back to last lesson, so it's a bit of recall. The stretch and challenge is to define the key vocabulary for today's lesson. You can see that these have been included on this slide. They are algae, mass extinction, asteroid, and fossils.
So that is an example of what you will find on each one of the presentations.
So let's just quickly go over the answers before we move on to today's lesson. Maybe get a different coloured pen or a pencil and you can mark your work, adding in anything that you've missed or perhaps changing if you've got anything wrong.
Your teacher will then go through the answers where you get an opportunity to green pen and check, similar to what you would always do in lesson. Then the teacher will work through the rest of the activities with the voiceover, indicating what you need to do to complete that. Any additional information will be given by the teacher as well. You may need to pause the video at certain times to complete tasks such as true or false or hinge questions. If you have any questions about the lesson, then this is where you use the chat function again. You can ask your teacher about a certain lesson or a certain slide. Please bear in mind that your teacher may be teaching across the day, so they may not be able to respond instantly, but they will get back to you and they will help.